Welcome to RAYONE Manufacturing Center. After casting, the wheel enters CNC machining. This process defines the final dimensions, service quality, and fitment accuracy.
Here, CNC machining helps us control the critical dimensions of each wheel.
Precision turning controls wheel diameter and concentricity. The center board is machined for precise hub fitment. Precision turning finishes the ring profile to specification. CNC machining is complete. Next comes quality inspection.